Hey, it's Karen. Today I'm unboxing my brand new iPad Pro 2020 along with some accessories. If you like these kind of iPad videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to support my channel. Let's get into it. It's here and it's beautiful. For reference, I got the second generation 128GB 11-inch iPad Pro. Oh my gosh, it's so thin and lightweight. This is crazy. So I'm gonna start setting it up now. I've got my phone ready and I've heard it's a pretty fast process to set it up. I feel welcomed. So I'm going to delete a bunch of these useless Apple apps and kind of get it set up a bit. It's so lightweight and cute. So of course I have to download Notability right away and test out the pencil, but I'll give you guys an actual demo towards the end of the video. So the first accessory I got were these little grippy things to put on the pencil, and I'll probably only put these on days where I know I'm going to be taking a lot of notes. Next, I got one of those portfolio type cases from Amazon, and I was kind of surprised at how many cases were advertised for being compatible with the Pro and the Apple Pencil, but yet when you stuck the pencil on the side, it wouldn't charge through the case. So it took me a while to find this case, so that the pencil would actually charge with it on, because it seems kind of annoying to have to take your case off every single time you want to charge the pencil. So there weren't as many options that were compatible with a pencil, but I'm satisfied with just the plain gray. I like it. Lastly, I got the paperlike screen protector. At first, I was a bit skeptical to have a matte screen protector, and I was worried about it like distorting the screen a bit when I was using it to watch like Netflix. But after using it for a couple weeks now, I am super satisfied and would highly recommend. And I'm genuinely surprised at the difference it makes while you're taking notes with the pencil. I was also really worried about the application process and like having a bubble that would drive me crazy and then just wasting $40, but I actually got it on there with no bubbles and it looks really good and it's centered, so I'm super happy with that. So I put my case on and I think I'm going to download all of the apps that I know I'm going to use and kind of arrange everything and actually get it set up. I don't know if it's just me, but I really like to only have one page of apps. So I put like half of them in a folder, that way it's super minimal and clean on my home screen. So right now I'm importing all of my notes from my old iPad into this one, and they're importing all at like random orders and they're not in my dividers. It's just a total mess. So I think I'm going to hopefully arrange these once they actually all get imported, because right now it's just like half of the stuff. It's just a disaster. I don't know. So kind of annoying, all of the note pages that I've imported have a 2 in parentheses in the note title, which is gonna bother me. So I'm gonna go back through all of my note page titles and delete that. So it's been a couple of weeks with my iPad. I have my case, my pencil, and my paperlike screen protector on, and now that classes have started for the fall semester, I actually have something to take notes over. So I'm gonna do some quick probability and statistics for computing notes and show you guys a quick little time lapse of the new iPad, which I am completely loving. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, you'll definitely like my other videos, and I'll definitely like you.